from this problem. It is based on concave lens. This problem is in page number 182. A concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens? Also, find the magnifications produced by the lens. From this problem, the lens is concave lens and it has a focal length 15 centimeter. F is equal to minus 15 because the focal length of concave always negative, so that F is equal to minus 15, and the image is formed at 10 centimeter. B is equal to minus 10 because a concave lens always gives virtual and erect image, so that the image is formed left side of the concave lens. So V is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Need to find the value of U and magnifications produced by the lens. The lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So this 1 by U is moved to right side and this 1 by F is moved to left side. After solving this, we get 1 by U is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by F. Now we substitute the value of V and F. After taking the LCM, we can find 1 by F is equal to 1 by minus 30. Taking the reciprocal, U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. The object distance is 30 centimeter. Now we need to find the value of magnifications. So magnification formula is M is equal to V by U. Now substituting the value V and U. So M is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 30. So after that 1 by 3 is equal to plus 0.33. Here plus indicates the image is virtual and erect, and 0.33 is less than 1, so that the size of the image is diminished. And the next problem, concave lens or focal lens forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. Object placed from the lens. Draw the ray diagram. From this problem, the lens is concave lens and the focal length is 15 centimeter. Here F is equal to minus 15 because the focal length of concave is always negative. So F is equal to minus 15. Image is formed 10 centimeter from the lens. So V is equal to minus 10, and the image is formed in front of the lens. So V is equal to minus 10. So minus indicates the image is formed left side of the lens, and we need to find the value of U, that means the object distance, and we need to draw the ray diagram. Now we use the lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Substituting the value V and F. So after solving these equations, we get 1 by U is equal to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by 15, and taking the LCM, and finally we get U is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So here minus indicates the image is placed in front of the lens. This is a ray diagram. This is a object. We take two rays. One is parallel to the principal axis. After refracting, this ray diverted. After diversion, we retrace back the ray. Virtually it comes from focus, and another ray, it passed through the optical center. It does not refracted, it goes straight. So the meeting point of the two rays, we get the image A dash and then B dash. This is the image, and this is the object. The object distance is 30 centimeter. That means U is equal to 30 centimeter, and focal length is 15 centimeter, and we get the value V is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the image distance. The distance between the image and the optical center is called the image distance. The distance between the focus and the optical center is called the focal length. The distance between object and optical center is object distance. And the next problem, a 5 centimeter high object is placed 15 centimeter from a 30 centimeter focal length diverging lens. Determine the image distance, magnifications of the image, and image height and properties of the image. From the problem, it has a diverging lens, so the lens is concave lens, and 5 centimeter high means the height of the object is 5 centimeter, so h1 is equal to plus 5 centimeter because the object is placed above the principal axis, so we take plus, and 15 centimeter from lens, so u is equal to minus 15 because the object is placed left side of the lens, and focal length is 30 centimeter. Here f is equal to minus 30 because minus indicates we use concave lens. Here I just wrongly I typed this is a diverging lens. So now we find the value of v and h2, that means the image distance and size of the image. Now we use the lens formula, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Now substitute the value of u and f. After substituting, we take the LCM. After that we get 1 by v is equal to 1 plus 2 by minus 30 is equal to 3 by minus 30, crossing by 3. After crossing by 3, we get 1 by v is equal to 1 by minus 10. So finally we get the value of v is equal to minus 10 centimeter. That means left side of the lens. So next we find the size of the image. This is the formula for, and this formula already studied, h2 by h1 equal to v by u. Now substituting the value of h1, v and u. After solving the equations, we get h2 is equal to 10 by 3 is equal to plus 3.33. Here plus indicates the image is formed above the principal axis, so the nature of the image is virtual and erect, and we compare the size of the object and the size of the image. Finally the size of the image is smaller than the object height. This is a ray diagram for this problem. This is the focal length. Now we place the object between f and the optical center. So this is the distance between the focus and the optical center is f is equal to 30 centimeter. Now we place the object here, that means u is equal to 15 centimeter. After taking the two rays, first ray that is parallel to the principal axis, it is diverged, and another ray it's passing through the optical center. The two ray meeting position is there. The image is formed. The image is formed above the principal axis, so that the image is virtual and erect, and the distance between the image and optical center is v, that means v is equal to 10 centimeter.